First, get an old pair of socks. If they have holes in them, it's okay. We'll worry about that later. The elastic thing at the top of the sock, that is also going to be a hair tie, so cut that off. If you have a little tab left over, don't worry about that. Here you'll be cutting off the little tab. It's not going to be perfect, but it'll do the job. I did the same for the other sock. Here are the two socks. You don't want to cut the strips very, very thin, too thick, because that won't really make it really good. You want to make it in the middle so it's not too thick and not too thin. I also cut the end off. You don't need to use the end because that is just like a weird leaf shaped item. It's not going to be a hair tie. I did the same steps. This is how much I made. I'm going to show you how they work now. After use, they do get a little bit more stretched out. I made blue ones, but it didn't show me making them. I did not take this idea from another YouTuber, or I did not see it online, so I came up with it. Thanks for watching.